Hi everyone, my name is Ansh Srivastava. I belongs to Gorakhpur and currently pursuing my BTech from ABESIT College, Ghaziabad. Here I am going to discuss on the topic cybersecurity. Starting with the introduction part, the term cybersecurity is used to refer to the security offered through online services to protect your online information. With an increasing amount of people getting connected to internet, the security threats that cause massive harm are increasing also. First of all, we have some questions that we are going to understand that what is the meaning of the word cyber and what is the need of cybersecurity, what are the security problems in cyber field, how to implement and maintain security of cyber field around us. We are going to discuss these four topics in this presentation and starting with the meaning of the word cyber. Cyber means it is a combining form relating to information technology, the internet and the virtual reality. And need of cybersecurity is necessary since it helps in securing data from threats such as data theft or misuse, also safeguards your system from viruses. There are five major security problems. They are virus, hackers, malware, Trojan horses, and password cracking. Starting with the first term, viruses and worms. Virus is a program that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge and runs against your wishes. These viruses came from the external sources like pen drives or CD, and then they implement your computer and start running their own program without your prior knowledge. And the solution that we can get rid from these viruses and the worms is to install a security suits that protect your computer against threats such as viruses and worms. There are some examples shown on the screen, that is McAfee, Norton, Quick Heal are some of the softwares that defend your computer from the viruses and worms. Coming to the second point, that is hackers. In common, a hacker is a person who breaks into computer usually by gaining access to administrative controls. Hackers mainly hack your computer and take all the prior knowledge they want from you or from your files or from your office. There are three types of hackers. There are white hat hackers, gray hat hackers, black hat hackers. Not going into the deep, just giving a brief information that white hat hackers are legal ones, that no government is allowed to charge a file on them because they do legal works under the government supervisions. Grey hat hackers are those hackers who do both legal and illegal hacking, and black hat hackers only do illegal hacking in the dark web. And the solution to protect your computer from hacking is it may be impossible to prevent computer hacking. However, effective security controls including strong password and use of firewall can help. Strong password can helpful but if you set your password by having a capital letters, mixing of capital letters, small letters, symbols and numbers. And firewalls also help to prevent hacking, as if someone tries to breach your computer, firewall just reminds you that outsiders want to invade your computer and from there you can block them. Moving to the third point, that is malware. The word malware comes from the term malicious software, and malware is any software that infects and damages a computer system without the owner's knowledge or permission. And getting to stop the malware, you have to download an anti-malware program that also helps to prevent infection of your PCs and activate network threat protection, firewall and antiviruses. Moving to the fourth point, that is Trojan horse. Trojan horse are basically email viruses that can duplicate themselves, steal information or harm the computer systems. These viruses are most serious threats to the computer, as we know that Trojan horses are basically in the ancient time where a king was gifted with a horse made up of wood, and behind them, behind the horse, there are several soldiers who were hiding, and at the night, they invade on that kingdom and they killed the king and captured that kingdom. At same way, Trojan horses are email viruses that invade your computer, that harm your computer without your prior knowledge. And the solution to get avoid Trojans are security suits such as Avast Internet Security will prevent you from downloading Trojan horses. Like if you are downloading something from emails and it contains Trojan, it inform you that Trojans are in this link, so that from there you can protect your computer from these kind of harms. Moving to the last point, that is password cracking. Password attacks are attacks by hackers that are able to determine passwords or find passwords to different protected electronic area and social network sites. To secure password, you always use strong password, as I already mentioned that use mixing of capital letters, small letters, symbols and numbers. Never use same password for two different sites. Like if you're having a two emails ID and one mail ID contains a password of xyz, then don't put second mail ID password xyz, put it like axy yzk etc. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility because you have to protect your information, your file documents from outsiders. Cybersecurity strategy in India. The security policy legal framework comes under IT Act 2000, IT Amendment Bill 26, Data Protection and Computer Crimes. Capacity building includes skill and competency development. Research and development includes cyber monitoring and network security. International collaborations, and India stands 18th in the cyber crime in the world. Closing the topic with the conclusions. And I hope that my presentation will be helpful for my audience to improve their knowledge about cybersecurity and to overcome several security loopholes on their computer operations. Also, it helps to spread awareness among normal people about emerging security threats. Simple and practical prevention methods are explained in our presentations to prevent PCs from infection or by cyber attacks. Thank you. Have a secure world. Peace.